today I'm going to show you a few suggestions for for a science fair board, because also I got first place for my school. So here we go. So here's the board. So at first, whenever you're trying to pick your topic, I would do something what you're interested in or what you're good at. I picked plants because my family does planting every summer and all that, so I'm kind of used to it, and I think I know some information. So there's a few things what you have to do. So first, there needs to be, in order to get a full score, you need a question, background information, hypothesis, materials, if possible pictures, procedures, a graph, results, conclusion, and your references. And don't forget to put the links to it there. And you're supposed to do everything in the order what I just said, or else you're gonna get marks off. So whenever you win your school one, if you win your school, you'll be sent to Austin Regional or your city science fair. And background information, what you're supposed to do is first you gotta find out your question. Like, for example, if you like soccer, maybe you can do with does the amount of pressure affect how high it goes, or how high it goes whenever you put a specific amount of pressure, like that. And you gotta word it in a good way. And I prefer typing rather than writing because I do a lot. And so, question I did, which seed will go to be the tallest? I used fenugreek, tomato, and Indian cucumber. For background information, you gotta tell the needs and each step what you're going to do, like all the needs and where to buy all the stuff and all that. And well, I had everything at home, so I didn't really need to buy anything. And then your hypothesis is something what you gotta do before you do the experiment. So you gotta put an educated guess. So based on your information, you're supposed to figure out a hypothesis with a reason why. Next, materials, all the stuff you need to do this experiment. And then procedures, you gotta do it really specific. Like, you should do it really specific as someone can copy you, what you're doing. And then graph, well, I did it the height of the plants. And you could do how much it rolls, like if you're doing experiment with ramps and balls. And the results. The result is what each one did. And what each one did, like, so you're supposed to do it 3 times and then add it all up and do the average. So your results tell each one of that, while your conclusion tells only your average. It sums it all up. And your references state all the links you have searched for when doing your background information, and people who helped you doing this project, and you gotta put the links in there. And now that we talked about the board, one thing what I would A suggestion what I would give you whenever you're presenting to the judges is speak firmly, and if you don't know the answer, just say, I never thought about that. And be sure to not talk too much, only what the judges are asking. And try to not read it completely off the board. Try to memorize it in your brain. Hope this helped. Bye.